Hindi po kaya i-total yun ng ordinaryong mamamayan, Madam Chair. 772 pages yun. Hindi mahanap yun. Why don't we make it easy for them na ipakita simula sa distrito na to, ito total budget, ito mga proyekto, ito total budget, ito. Tsaka doon, can you tell me paano po hahanapin doon yung pinopose ng party last year? Kaya kailangan ulitin to. Last year ko po ito tinanong. Nung third reading, and I even wrote you regarding this, no? Malaki po yung kontrobersya sa DPWH projects, no? I requested last year nung nag-third reading, I requested the chair na ilabas yung budget per districts at ilabas yung budgets per party list. Summarize, para alam natin magkano yung total per district at magkano yung total DPWH per party list at saan pumunta yon. Ngayon lumabas na po yung NEP ng DPWH. I am requesting again na sa NEP pa lang, i-post po natin sa ating website yung budgets per district para makita ng lahat yung mga budget ng DPWH per district at yung budget ng DPWH per party list at saan po ito napunta. Sasabihin ulit, hindi po ito kasama sa DBCC. Pero kailan pa ako magkakaroon ng opportunity? Last year, tinanong ko yan nung third reading. Sumulat ako hanggang ngayon, walang sagot for the 2026. So palampasin na natin yung 2027. Bakit hindi po natin, kung talagang gusto natin ng transparency, bakit hindi natin ipakita magkano ang budget per district, magkano ang budget per party list, at saan po ito napunta?
Representative Tiangco, what is contained in the NEP? In the NEP itself, if you would look at the budget of DPWH, meron na rin naman pong mga totals doon per DEO. So there's a regional total, there's also a total per district engineering offices. So those information are actually already contained in the NEP itself and later on when the HGAP is filed.
Hindi po kaya i-total yun ng ordinaryong mamamayan, Madam Chair. 772 pages yun. Hindi mahanap yun. Why don't we make it easy for them na ipakita simula sa distrito na to, ito total budget, ito mga proyekto, ito total budget, ito. Tsaka doon, can you tell me paano po hahanapin doon yung pinopose ng party list? How will we know sinong party list ang proponent doon sa budget na yon kung hindi po natin ilalabas?
Representative Tiangco, again, there are no proponents for the project. So if you would look at the HGAB and the NEP, you would see that there are totals per district engineering offices. So there is actually no way to us to be able to create a summary of what are proposed by party list members as opposed to district representatives because there are no such thing as...
Meron po yan, Madam Chair. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak ha.
But again, for the information that is being asked for, which would be the summary of the budget per regional office, they're all contained there in the NEP, within the DPWH budget itself. Makikita nyo po yun, naka-separate out po yan sa NEP. Within the DPWH budget, you already have the totals per district engineering office, and in the annexes, you have there the line items in terms of the project. So lahat po ng impormasyon na yun, nandun na po yun sa NEP. At sa HGAB.
Madam Chair, nakasulat po yun sa NEP pero hindi po nakatotal per district. Kaka-check ko lang po. Anyway, yun lang po hinihingi ko. So, pwede bang, kasi yung DPWH budget is 772 pages. So kung hahanapin po yan ng mga kababayan natin, mahihirapan po sila. Hindi ba pwedeng padaliin natin, ihiwalayin lang natin yung mga proyekto per district? Yun lang po ang hiling ko. Pwede po ba?
May I differ for the answer, the expert on the matter, the Vice Chairperson of the Committee on Appropriations, defending the budget of the Department of Public Works and Highways, Representative Romeo Momo, to respond to the query of the Honorable Tiangco.
Yes, Madam Chair, thank you. Ang totoo lang, in every DEO, mayroon tayong total budget and then mayroon ding naka-line ng mga projects, no? So, ang ibig sabihin siguro ni Honorable Tiangco is yung mga nakalagay ng mga project ang ipa-scale natin, ano, i-post natin. But yung projects na yun, madaling hanapin sa mga DEOs, no? DEOs natin, in fact, sa mga accounts ng mga DEOs, yung Facebook accounts ng mga DEOs, nandoon naka-post yung ating mga projects.
Madam Chair, hindi po para sa atin yun, para sa kababayan natin, para madali nilang makita. Hindi po para sa akin. Dahil tayo, pag hiningi natin sa DO, ibibigay. Pero may mga projects po na nasa NCR, nasa region, hindi po siya nakatotal per district, pero dapat yung pasok dun sa district. So ang hinihingi ko lang po is pagsamahin, simplihan, para makita ng kababayan natin ano po yung budgets per district. Yun lang po.
Well, I think, Madam Chair, yung pinapost naman din ng mga regional offices at saka region is not for us, congressmen, but it is for everyone, especially doon sa constituents natin, doon sa ating mga distrito.
Madam Chair.
Madaling ma-access po yon sa lahat ng mga DEOs, meron silang mga publications, actually.
Madam Chair, very quick clarification with the question of Kong Tiangco.
Yes, given that the time of the Honorable Tiangco is up, yes, I would now like to recognize
Just a very
Deputy Speaker Janet Green.
Quick clarification para lang pong malinawan. Hindi po kasi magkapareho ang DPWH District Engineering Office sa Congressional District Office. And sometimes it's a misnomer kasi yung ibang congressional district akala mo halos walang budget, but actually hindi kapareho nung District Engineering Office and yung Congressional District Office. So if I may, Madam Chair, may we request for purposes of answering the Honorable Chanco that he be instead furnished a total allocation on a regional basis that will be more reflective of equitable distribution if indeed it is.
Madam Chair, since the Honorable Garina replied to my manifestation, can I be given a chance to reply?
Yes. Go ahead, Representative Chanco. We'll give you, with the indulgence of the other House members who are listed for interpellation, may we give the Honorable Tiangco time to manifest? Would that be amendable? Okay, with the concurrence of the other House members, Honorable Tiangco, go ahead po.
Madam Chair, the only reason I would manifest is because there was a reply, no? Otherwise, I would have been finished. No, yun lang po. It's exactly the reason why. Kasi nga, iba po yung District Engineering Office, iba po yung Congressional District. Kaya nga, ang sinasabi ko, palabasin kung ano yung budget per Congressional District. Kasi nga po, yung per District Engineering Office does not mean na yun po yung budget sa distrito na yun. So yung sinasabi po ni Congresswoman Garin, yan po ang precise reason na gusto ko hiwalay siya per district. Yun lang po, Madam Chair.